back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm going to be installing this hair that I got from Arabella. All the information will be in the description below. This is a 20-inch 6x5 glueless pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, basically everything done for you wig. It comes pre-styled in like this pre-curled body wave, and this is just a construction of the wig. It has these ear tabs cut off to go around your ears comfortably. It is on a dome cap and it has the non-slip grip. And this is just another view of the cap style here. And this is the wig. As I said earlier, it comes pre-curled, which is super cute. This is just everything that comes in the box with your wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. If that boy don't love you by then. If you know this song, comment below because this is a good throwback. He will never, ever, ever, ever love you, period. Shout out to Sierra. Anyway, so I'm just using my edge booster and I'm slicking back my edges. Y'all, I washed my hair. Please be proud of me. I washed my hair and I did a new braid out and everything. I know it don't look like it because my edges are a little fluffy, but those are clean edges, y'all. It actually hurt me to put this edge booster on my clean hair. I was a little tight about that. But anyways, just brushing back my edges, and then I'm going to take this wig cap. Is it a wig cap? Yes, the wig cap that came with the wig, and I'm going to slide it over my hair. Honestly, these wig caps are completely optional. You don't need them, in my opinion. It just makes the style look more put together or whatever. You can't see it underneath this wig, so I was happy about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slide it back, and then I'm using my Ruby Kisses cream makeup. I got this off of Amazon, y'all. It's time for some more, and I was lit, y'all. I'm jamming to my like old 2000s R&B playlist. I was having the time of my life, but I am just coloring the wig cap just to make it blend in, make it more scalp colored or whatever, to make it look nice, like so, like that. And then I'm going to adjust the wig band and slide the wig onto my head. I really like this wig because it fits super snug, so you can absolutely wear this gluelessly. And then also I'm just showing you here like how perfectly the wig fits behind your ears because of those little cutouts in the wig, so that it's comfortable and doesn't sit on top. And look at these curls. This is how the wig comes, full of body. Again, this is 180 density, so it's really thick, really full, and the curls that they put in it are really pretty. And since it's on a 6x5 closure, you can move your part to the side, you can do a middle part, you can do like a flip over. It's a really natural. This is 20 inches, so I don't know, it's really cute for summer. It's not too hot, and the hairline is giving. So now I'm just going to go ahead and style it to my liking. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my, not cut out, I guess it is cut it out. I'm cutting them out because I'm cutting them. Guess so. So I'm doing my baby hairs. I really considered not doing baby hairs with this. And I know some of y'all like, oh, you shouldn't have did baby hairs. And I'm so sorry. Old habits die hard. I couldn't let them go. They got a firm grip on me. I'm sorry, they do. Just something about them. I just felt like it just gives it a little extra razzle dazzle. That's just my opinion. So I'm just going to cut them and curl them with my little mini flat iron. And then I'm just going to use my Eco Gel, my black Eco Gel, to swoop my edges. Once I get to that part, I'm a little premature. So what I'm doing right now is just taking some of this spray and spraying it behind my edges, the baby hairs that I created, and then I'm going to blow dry it to seal it in place. I do this because my natural hairline, my real hair, comes down pretty far. And so even with the glueless wig, it's very like on the sides, the wigs lift a little bit, like it doesn't lay as flat as it does across my forehead, and it's because I have hair right there because of my type of hairline. So I just do this to help it lay flatter, and help like seal it in place so that it's less noticeable, that you can't see like that line of demarcation between like the wig and my hair. If you have a normal hairline, you probably won't need to do this at all, but you know, low hairline issues. Next, I'm just going to define the parting space with this Got To Be Free spray. The part was actually already cut out pretty well in this wig, if I do say so myself. But I just wanted to put a little of the free spray across like the front of the hairline to create those little like indents. I do not know the word for it, y'all. You know when you take your hot comb in the front and put that little crease in it? I don't know what it's called, but I just did a little free spray before doing that just to help it like stay in place better, or longer, or both, better and longer. And now I'm just gonna get my paddle brush and just brush through the curls so that you can just kind of see what the wave pattern is looking like. I needed to see what I'm working with. I just wanted to determine if I needed to put some like extra curls in it or what have you. Now I will say, like, they look really, the curls, oh yeah, I also flipped my head upside down to give it that volume, but the curls look really good and full here. And this is fresh out of the box, so I didn't co-wash this wig or anything, and this is just what the curls are looking like. I will say I did sleep in this wig, and the next day I put some curls in it just to bring the curls back to life because it kind of got flat because I slept in it. But if you don't sleep in your wigs, that volume should stay. But really, I just used my flat iron to throw some curls in it, and it wasn't too bad at all. So next, here I was debating whether or not I should put some layers in the front. I really wanted to leave it exactly how it is, but if you can see that little piece on the corner right there, it was irking my nerves because when I have like hairstyles like this, when the more layers you have, the more fuller it looks and the more it falls in your face and it just looks cuter. So I just decided to put just a little bit of layers in the front, just cut it like a little bit, just so that when I push the hair forward, I have that like shape, as you can see right here. And I got that shape without any heat. Like, this is just how it came. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. I just part the hair vertically going back, and then I use my scissors and just trim lightly going away from my face. And it gives it this illusion of, you know, well, it's really not an illusion because it really is thick and full. But yeah, it just creates this nice shape and frame my face nicely. And then I just cut like an extra little piece right here just because I'm particular. But yeah, this is completely optional, by the way. You don't have to do that, but I just decided I wanted to. So this is pretty much done. This style is really fast and simple. I'm just taking off my wig band. Last thing I'm going to do here is just swoop my sideburns with my edge booster. This is a personal preference for me because I have long sideburns. If you don't have sideburns, then you don't have to do this, or you can brush them up if you like. Completely optional. Next, really quickly, I'm just going to take my this cream makeup, the one that I used from earlier from Amazon, just to put across my hairline to blend it in with my complexion and my scalp. But other than that, this style is done. It was really fast. Probably took all of like 20 minutes in total to do. I really love how soft this hair is. This hair is very soft and is very thick. I didn't have any issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. And I think particularly because it's like shorter length, it just is very manageable. I loved it. It's great for summer. Very cool. Doesn't, it's not too much. You know what I'm saying? And it looks very cute and natural. If you want that full voluminous look, you can like like bend upside down, like dip your head upside down and like shake the hair kind of to get that full look, kind of like what you saw me do earlier. You kind of just have to play with it a little bit to get the volume to fall how you want. This is just how the wig looks fresh out of the box. By all means, you can curl it, do whatever to it. I actually did curl it the next day with a flat iron, and the curls stayed really well in the hair. I'll say that, like, the curls do last. So yeah, you can pretty much flip the hair however you want. You can do middle part, side part, flip over, whatever. It just looks so effortless and so cute. And I really love this wig. So all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.